Hey, what is up, viewers? NS Pittsburgh Line Rail Fan here, and welcome back to another video. And this is the start of a brand new series here on the channel, and this is going to be called Rare Trains on the NS Pittsburgh Line. This series was inspired by Worldwide Rail Fans series called Rare Trains on the MBTA Worcester sub. And basically, this is going to feature all the catches from 2014 to right now in 2021, and it's going to feature heritage units, foreign power, old engines that don't exist anymore, all that. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, be sure, if you guys are new, be sure you give these videos a big thumbs up. Be sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new, and be sure you ring that bell so you guys don't miss a single video. Hope you guys enjoy.
You're gonna love this next one. Let's get over here. Where you gonna see this? There's that red one back. Yep, that's it, Patrick. That's the Pennsylvania. I think. Oh, it's on the first track, too. Be right in front of you. That's Pennsylvania. What you do to this camera. Kyle Diesel did.
Let me do it. That way you're above the fence.
Going back the other way.
And to end this first episode of Rare Trains on the US Pittsburgh line, I'm going to leave you with this video, and this is to pay tribute to my late sister. I used to have a sister, and her name was Jennifer, and she one day took me and my two nephews to Altoona to Railfan, and the only train that we caught that day was a manifest, and that manifest, that westbound manifest, was led by NS 9972, and trailing second was NS SD60M number 6765. And unfortunately, my sister passed away in 2016. And for this final final train video, this final train catch, this is to pay tribute to my sister Jennifer. So here's the video.
Mommy, hurry up! Oh, yeah, it's over the time! You can see the front of it. Hey!
Drop it, cool.
Mommy! Yeah, drop it. What do you think?
Drop it, come here. I still live with you.
What?
Here's the
This is the way